I'm wondering the same thing, but I know it's gonna have to do with the ducks. I'm not quite sure what exactly I'm going to build, but it's going to contain the ducks somehow, some way, in some shape or form. And yeah, I'll figure it out as I go along. These are all some scrap pieces of wood that I took out of the bus a few months ago when we were demoing it, and I kept them because they're all really nice pieces of wood, and I figured I could use them for something later on. And this piece of tin, I think this might be from the floating tiny house. I don't remember, unless I bought some for the micro tiny house that I never used. I don't know, I don't remember. It was in the garage, so I figured it might come in handy with this project. So let's figure this out together. So I was thinking this could be part of the roof somehow. I don't know if I want a flat roof. Actually, I know I don't want a flat roof, but if it's going to be easier to do it that way, I will do that. I want an A-frame roof, of course, right? So if I can figure out how to maybe either bend this or maybe just have one side with this, I don't know. So I have enough wood with me to make the little A shape here on either end. I have 4 pieces, but then so I'm thinking maybe I could use a branch from that as a top piece. Let's go see if it's something we can use. Oh yeah, it's nice and straight. It might work. Well, it's a little bit curved. I think that might work. Possibly. Does have a little curve to it. But I mean, if we cut it from here to whatever length, it's probably gonna be about to right here. I think we can make that work. Possibly use some of this other wood too, if my saw will cut through it and it's stable enough. We shall see. And of course I can't find my tape measure anywhere, so I'm just gonna eyeball it with my feet. I also misplace my tripod every time I turn around too. Tripod and tape measure, those are the 2 things that disappear the most. Damn, that's almost perfect. Guys, this is so hard, but I really want an A-frame. If I had one other person here to help hold up one side, it would probably be a little easier. If I could just get those 2 pieces up and stabilized, then I'll be good, and I'll have something to work with and stabilize every other board and act as a second person. Ah, so frustrating. we have a shape of an egg. Hey. Not from that direction, but from this direction. All right, we're getting somewhere. Now, I was thinking, I don't even know if you guys can hear me or not, but maybe I should speak up. This just so happens to be the exact length, or a little over, so that's nice. So maybe put it at this end over here for the roof, or go over and bend it like this. It would take away seeing the pretty piece of wood up here, but it would definitely keep all the rain out this way. Where's the duckies? What do you guys want? Piece things together here with what would I have, and I think it's coming along pretty good for just using a bunch of scraps and wood that I have out here from fallen down trees. So now I need to attach this sheet metal here, and then I'd imagine I need to make another piece of wood to attach from here to here, and the same on the other side. And then I was thinking about putting these along like slats. I have enough. Kind of doing like one of these numbers all the way up. Maybe on the back side. I need to do that on the back side. The front side over there, it's probably where I'll do the door, maybe. I don't know. Definitely know this needs to be closed off back here, so I'll be doing these slats all the way down as far as I can take it. So let's do that next. Actually, I'm wondering if I should take the chicken wire and put that up first, and then I can kind of hold the chicken wire down with the wood. I think I'll do that.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind, or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love, so just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah.